Ngokwaringa nto chake ama yeyense ya moko ruase kaunti ya Kisii awase Diocese ya Kisii yabage gochengera emyaka emyeyemo na 10 korwa ogochaki wa Diocese yo ase orogongo rwa Gusii omoyega obago goikiranwa na Abatas Van Megan oyo orenge oyoso yo charika lya Pope Francis korwa ime ya Kenya na South Sudan morikeito Mildred Momanyi na bagoikirana senseme yo na tigatoiwe nara ya yakorekana
ne miaka emyeyemo na 11 asogochaki gwa gwechi Diocese che Katoliki ase county ya Kisii amana Nyamira omoyega bwo gochengera lituko elio nigo okoreka ase Kisii kya Nyabururu asomageni wesko arenge His Excellency Abatas Van Megan oyore likalia Pope Francis etengo ebiriato chingobi na matera amansu na iwekana korwase abana abangina ne Kisii gyonsi Katia balia baikirana mbakwanera igoro yengencho yelitukelio gochiase abakristo
lero twagwate umuyobo munene twagwate omutenerio papa ase eparish yetu ya Nyabururu na monoga ase bokristo bwachakirite obairo umuyobo munene na twagokira ase ngencho twanyorire bisibi gokumia na ende maigaye emyaka emyeyemo na 11 onde kurwa ase obisi ya papa tanyo Nyabururu baiga orende lero na lieka
gitugende tingabono akakurwa obwanjani no bomo boreka nese kanisa Nyabururu na nese kanyengima
Omo Bishop we Diocese ya Kisii Joseph Mairanakira abakristo mbuyamano asoko bwaterana asaganya omorembe gati yabarabo
What we celebrate is the growth of the faith, and you have come to strengthen our faith, because when we see you, we see the Holy Father, who unifies the whole church. The Lord will tell you how many we are in the world, and we feel one. We feel one, and this feeling one is real also, because it comes from the real presence of Jesus Christ in the Eucharist.
His Excellency Abatas Van Megan oyorenge ntenenera ya Pope Francis aiga Kenya amona South Sudan na renge na yaiga.
Enormous multitude of people appearing in front of the throne of God, of all nations and languages and groups and tribes. They are all together in front of the altar, in front of where the Lamb is. We are here. We are that church. We are around the altar where the Lamb is, where Jesus Christ appears to us, where He gives Himself to us. And we are part of this church, and the unity of the church is guaranteed by the Pope. Pope Francis, whom we also call the Vicar of Christ. I would ask you today, pray for the Holy Father Pope Francis, who is a Mosaic. He's 85 years old. He has a problem with his knees. In fact, has been playing football too much probably, or maybe also kneeling too much. And yeah, he's getting old.
Abarai na barabom batigiri magega asomo yegoyo asebara gwano mabunge okitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi asateba arachikogani okobwaterana eliokoboria eserikali enene kubakonya korosia epara ekogende Kisii kya Nyabururu
kama wale ambao Yesu aliponya. Mimi nimerejea kurudisha shukrani Gavana Simba wakati Father alituma niweze kuzungumza naye atutengezee barabara. Alijaribu kidogo, lakini tunataka kushikana na shule zile ziko hapa, St. Mary's, St. Paul's College na Nyabururu Girls, tuandike kwa Ministry of Roads ili vile hii lami inawekwa hapa, hata sisi watuletee lami kidogo ifike hapa.
Yingo reporter ya Egataseni Ndizi TV, Letaliane Mildred Momanyi.